Morning message. Lesson day 19. English. Good morning, first grade crew. Miss Julia speaking. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. We'll be starting off our week with English lessons today. Let's find out which Explica value we'll talk about today. Today, we'll be focusing on the I in Explica. Does anyone remember what the I stands for? That's right, inquiry. What does it mean to practice inquiry? We practice inquiry through curiosity, asking questions, and being excited to learn more about something. That's why our question of the day is, what is something you want to learn more about and why? Today you will complete 10 to 15 minutes of word study, identify the elements of a story, add a pair of two-digit numbers, and add details to your writing. As always, we're here to help if you have any questions or need some extra support. Remember to be mindful of your small group time. Parents, don't forget to sign up for office hours. Office hours are an opportunity for you to voice questions or concerns about content. Have a great day, learners. Love Mr. CJ, Miss Nadia Rose, Miss Giovanna, and Miss Julia.